back everyone. If you're new to the channel, my name is Gage Jones and I go to Gull Lake Community Schools. I take a computer science software engineering class, and today is our final part in PC Building Simulator. Today, in our last video, we made this computer, the best specs, and now we're going to make it even better. But, well, not better, like fast, but we're going to make it cooler. So now we're going to get a similar case. I want it fully clear, so we're going to find one that is that. Oh, is this one like this one clear? No, it isn't. Take this real quick. Okay. So you want to get something that it's fully clear, but it's still going to look cool. So maybe like this one right here would be a good one. No, that actually has no glass at all. Well, no, it does. It's just very tinted. I'm not sure. Yeah, the front one isn't glass. So, back over here. I really want to find one that's a fully glass. I might just do the one from last time then. I can't find one. Oh, that's weird looking one. Oh, last one before I just go with the one I did last time. Yeah, no. We're just gonna do the one from last time. That's fine. So I just need to find that real quick. So there's two options. I think what we're going to be doing is, well, either one works. So we're just gonna be doing this one. And we're going to take everything out just like last time. I like to strip them down and then rebuild them. I like different fans because I want RGB completely. So. I don't think they are RGB. I could be wrong, but I just install my own. And last but not least, this one. And we can do any motherboard that has the AM4 for the CPU chip. Oh no. This might not be good, actually. Because I might be able to get it to work. It's just not what I wanted. But this should still work. Oh yeah, right here is a cool one. Let's just do this one. Oh, but it's so small. Is there any, like... So I want something that looks cool. Good. Yes, I guess. So we're gonna be doing this one. I'll be back once I finish installing it. Now that it is fully in, what we're going to be doing is installing our CPU. So we're gonna open that. We're going to be putting in our CPU. We're doing the Ryzen 9 16 core. It should just be down here, just a little more, right here. So now we're going to add all of our RAM. We are going to be adding, in my opinion, the best memory, which is 16 gigabytes times 4. In this case, I don't have to worry about it anymore, so we're just gonna add this. We're gonna do that a bunch of times. We're gonna do it 4 times just so that way we have 64 gigabytes of RAM. Last but not least, one more. And we're going to be adding a really big power supply since I need all of the power for back here. And you'll see in a little bit why. Now we're going to be removing these fans, so that way I can add the RGB fans. It takes a minute, but then once we're done, we'll be all good. And now we can add our fans, which is actually right here. And we want RGB. I always like the RGB ones. In this case, I'm going to do the bigger ones. Now we just need one more. It's going to be similar, not quite the exact same as the last one, but it'll look pretty similar once it's done. And then one more RGB fan, which will be the smaller one for the back. Actually, can we add more somewhere? No, I don't think we can. We're just gonna try one with this one. Oh, actually, yeah, we can. This one here. I want as much cooling as possible, because we're having 2 GPUs in here, and it's going to cause a lot of heat. So, the more cooling, the better. And up there, what we're going to be doing is install. Actually, we need to take this off. This one's going to be a little. This is where it gets a little the most different from the last one. Is because I will be getting something new, and that is going to be way down here. Oh wait, no, it's a little bit different. Oh wait, I've never been down here before. I have to look into this at one point. So it's actually the CPU cooling, and then if we go all the way down, we can find all of these, and I want an RGB one. And like something like this is what I wanted. Is this what I wanted right here? Is RGB? No. I think the RGB ones are gonna look really cool in this case. So right here, I think actually is gonna be good. And that's what it looks like. Hopefully this will give us more cooling too. And now that we have installed that, that is all of our fans. Now we can install the top glass. And now we install each single screw. And last but not least, I need 2 GPUs. So we're going to find that now. Oh wait, actually I forgot something, so we have to take this all apart real quick. So I'll be back when I fix it. So what I forgot was thermal paste, so I had to install that. Is there anyone with like a screen maybe? This one, there's always this one, but oh no, that's not what I was looking for though. No, that's not. This one's open. Oh, what happened? Oh, it isn't. I don't know why it's stuck. And now we'll install this on top. And once this is all screwed in, it should work. And then we're gonna add our GPUs, like I said earlier. So now I am removing the fans. And installing this one. Oh wait, now I need to get rid of those 4. So this one gone. This This one gone. This one gone. And last but not least, this one gone. And we're going to be adding 2 GPUs since this will give us the most performance out of our build. And last but not least, our last one. Oh no. This case does not seem to work with this. So this one won't have 2 for now, but it should still work pretty well. It's maybe not as well as the other one. Now we need to install our power supply. And I would like one that has a lot of power right here. This one will give us plenty of power. And now we can start finishing up. And once we finish doing all of this, we will be able to install our fans again. I wasn't going to, but now I feel like we should. So we'll be doing that. So lastly, we're going to be installing those fans again, if we still can. So, no, it doesn't seem like we could anyway. So, this is what it looks like right now, and we're going to add some storage now. And I like to go out with the storage, so we're going to be adding a lot of storage. And now we're going to be adding 4 more terabytes in HDD. And now we're going to be adding 2 of the 2 gigabyte, well, 1 terabyte SSDs. We should be able to install 2 of them. And this should, yep, right here. And in some cases, I don't know about this one, but we're going to try is there is a place for a smaller SSD. So, just up a little more. And we're going to get 2 terabytes in this one. We're going to get this one, and we'll be installing right here. And then I don't think we can fit another one, so I'll check. So, we have this one. Actually, we can. Right here. Let's be honest. Alright, so now we got as much storage as we can. And now we just need to cable everything up. Starting with all of the power, since that is what we're most limited on, which we seem to have been well on. And that's all we need for that. And now we're just going to connect everything and power it up. So this one isn't as good as the other one, but it should still perform really well. So now we're just going to install the side panels, and I'll be back once I'm done. So now what we are going to do is install our software. So we're going to put it right here, and we're going to power it on. And as you can see, everything inside seems to be powering up perfectly fine. And I'm going to install everything we're going to need to test it, and I'll be back once I'm done. And now everything is downloading, and it's just powering up. As you can see, we have it all now. And we're going to first edit our lighting since everything's just crazy. and we're just going to apply this. We're gonna make it a lot slower though. I like it slower. And now that's what it looks like. All of our parts. And now we can test it one last time. And in comparison, it's probably not gonna do as good as the other one, but it should still do really well. It has about the same performance for our CPU, because they both sit at about 38 FPS. But the GPU is where it might not do as well, since now we only have one. But we'll see. Yeah, we only got half our FPS. And as you can see, it works pretty well. It's just going to go through with it, and we're just gonna let it finish its walkthrough. It still has amazing FPS, don't get me wrong. It's just the other one got 140 FPS in this. So my guess is this will about be like a 16,000 score. That's my guess, but that could be completely off. We'll see. This one does seem to be faster with downloading, though. And it could have something to do with the RAM. Oh, no, 12,000. Alright, that's not too bad. And then, I don't think we want to overclock this one. So, I mean, let's just try, but I'm quite sure it's just not going to work. Because the second we turn it on, it's probably just going to crash. So, we're just going to play it one more time, and after that, that is all I have in this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and hope to see you guys in another video. So, yeah, it just crashes. Well, have a good day, and I hope to see you in another video.